You might think being outside and looking for a house or looking for a house in the rain is a horrible idea. Au contraire, it is a great idea because when it is raining like it has been for the last couple of days, you get to see how the water pools around a property, whether it's a condo or a house. You get to see what the roads are like and the traffic. So going out and touring houses or going to an open house when it's pouring down rain is one of the best times that you can go view a property and see if it works for your needs. So today I am out destaging, and it feels delightful because we're running up and down stairs, and I was in a tank top a little bit ago. It feels great. And so it made me think I need to get on here and tell y'all that this is the time to get out and look for a house. Or if you're looking to sell your house in the new year, go outside, walk your property. When was the last time you went into your crawl space? Do you know what's under there? Do you know if the sump pump isn't working? Do you know if there's water pooling? This is the time to do an evaluation of your house. Hey, let's say you're not even selling. You're not interested. Still walk around. See if there is a plug drain somewhere. See if if you don't have those splash guards. Splash guards are so cheap. If you're not sure what they are, tell me you don't know what they are and I'll send you a message and show you. It's those little splash guardy things that pulls the water away from your house. They sit underneath the gutters. You want water to go away from your house so it doesn't cause problems underneath or to the foundation. So take a walk around your house, a walkabout, shall we call it, a rain walkabout. See what the property looks like, see where there's pooling of water. It's a good time. Get familiar with where you're at so that you can make adjustments or corrections or go, hey, thumbs up, all is well at my house. So there you go. Walk out in the rain, check your house out, go for a tour of a house in the rain. It's the best time to do it. So now I'm going to get into my car because I'm a hot mess right now. I'm a little wet. So hope you're having a fabulous day. Stay dry as much as you can and realize that sometimes the rain is actually a really awesome thing.